Hey folks, check it out with Chuck time, and today we're going to take a look at the Jay Flight 264 BHW. Fantastic floor plan. Come take a look. Let's take a look at the outside first. So, beginning in here, we have a nice electric tongue jack. That definitely saves marriages when you're trying to get this thing level with your truck, trying to hook it up. Very, very good product right there. Come this way, you got nice storage on the outside. If we open this up, take a look at that. You can go all the way through. You can put plenty of stuff in there to bring with you camping. On the other end on here, this is where you're going to connect your water. And, oh my goodness, just in case you like to be outside and enjoy the weather, yes, you can take a shower. Just make sure you wave to the neighbors as they're going by. Come on out over here. Nice spare tire here as well, and ladder to get up on the roof for the strongest roof in the industry. 4,500 pound capacity, built like an airplane wing. Holy cow, is it strong. Come on over here. Want to talk about storage? Even more right in here. Check this out. Great place to put chairs, tables, backpacks, maybe even a little fold up small bike, kayak, whatever you might need. You never know what you're going to bring when you go camping. This is a great option. Let's go on the inside. Now we're on the inside, and what's great about the inside of this trailer is how many it sleeps and the versatility of it, even though it doesn't have a slide. Take a look. A nice large queen walk around bed. Come over here, you got a nice couch sitting. You can have your drinks and everything there if you need to. At the same time, boom, push that up, put this down, you got yourself a bed. Holy cow, nice and comfortable. As we come this way, nice kitchen area, good counter space, microwave, oven, you name it, you can do it in this trailer. Oh wait, you want to sleep some more? Hey, I got another one right here that is formed into a bed as well, so you can throw a body there. Oh wait, you need a couple more bodies? Sweet. 650 pounds. I'm sorry, 600 pounds you can hold up on these things. Yes, you can have two adults up there. You just got to decide who's going to be the front spoon, who's going to be the back spoon. Now back here, you got a bathroom. What they really did that was fantastic, especially because you're going to have so many people in this trailer, is they put the sink outside of the bathroom. So you can kill two birds with one stone. Someone could be in there showering. Someone could be out here brushing their teeth and getting ready for whatever you need. But take a look at this bad boy. You know, I know I'm not the tallest guy in the world, but even so, I got plenty of room. So the taller gentleman, if you're 6 feet or above, yes, you will have room to be able to do that in here. Here's the cool thing. No other manufacturer will want you to do this, but look at how strong this bathtub is. I can literally jump up and down on it. I am not worried. This thing will not leak over time because it is reinforced with plywood. Speaking of plywood, this whole trailer is made with plywood. You want to make sure that when you're looking at other manufacturers that they're not making it with particle board or USB. You see that? Run away. Thanks for checking it out with Chuck today. We looked at the 264 BHW Jay Flight. If you're interested, come on down, take a peek. Ask for me when you arrive, and I'll be more than happy to show you around.